Most common non-lymphoproliferative primary malignant tumor of the spine in children is PNET. Most common causative organism of neonatal pyogenic meningitis is E. coli. Most common cause of sudden cardiac death among young people is hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. Most common presentation of mesoblastic nephroma is palpable mass at birth. Most common CT finding in bowel ischemia is bowel wall thickening. Most common predisposing cause to develop pneumothorax during percutaneous lung biopsy is COPE. Most common location of coarctation postductal beyond the origin of the left subclavicular artery. Most common non-proliferative primary malignant tumor of the spine in adult is chorondoma. Most common phacomatous is NF1. Most common cause of hyperflexive bladder is spinal cord trauma. Most common causative organism of acute pyogenic meningitis is in adult is Streptococcus pneumoniae. Most common presentation of neurocystic sarcosis is hemoptysis. Most common cause of hydronephrosis in newborn male is uretropelvic junction. Most common causes of stridor in neonate and young infant is laryngomalacia. Most common presenting symptom of ulcer Weber-Raynaud is hemoptysis. Most common inherited disease among Caucasian Americans is CF. Most common crystalline arthropathy is CPPD. Most common non-glial primary tumors of the central nervous system is meningiomas. Most common functional tumors of the ovaries is sex-cord stromal tumors. Most common primary benign mesenteric tumor is desmoid. Most common cause of squamous cell CA in the renal pelvis is chronic infecting Stargardt calculus. Most common non-epithelial tumor in the colon is lipoma. Most common location of GIST stomach is AAA. Most common primary brain tumor is GBM. Most common location of bronchogenic carcinoma is right upper lobe. Most common cause of small bowel obstruction is adenosis. Most common cranial nerve that can be affected that schwannoma is 8th nerve. Most common primary cerebellar mass in adult is immunoglobulin. Most common cause of hepatic calcification is infection. Most common non-epithelial tumor of the bladder is leiomyoma. Most common primary demyelinating disease is mitral stenosis. Most common infraarterial neoplasm in adult is metastasis. Most common carcinofacial malformation is facial clifting. Most common location of benign and malignant masses in breast is upper outer quadrant. Most common primary female urethral malignancy is squamous cell carcinoma. Most common cause of acute testicular pain in peributyl male is torsion. Most common form of systemic vasculitis in adult is giant cell temporal arteritis. Most common cause of round pneumonia in children is streptococcus. Most common primary hepatic neoplasm in infants and children less than 5 years old is hepatoblastoma. Most common cause of echogenic renal mass in 3-month-old is mesoblastic nephroma. Most common infection to cause cerebral hypoplasia and migration anomalies is CMV. Most common fracture of forearm collis. Most common form of hypertrophic cardiomyopathy is asymmetric involvement of the intraventricular septum.